Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Today we're going to do Tashir Dua, all of the sneezing dua. So let's get started. This is what happens when the sneezer sneezes. They say, Alhamdulillah. Translation: all praise is due to Allah. This is what you say when you see someone sneezing. Ya Hamukallah. Translation: may Allah have mercy on you. This is what the sneezer says to the person that says Ya Hamukallah. Yahdikumullah. Translation: may Allah guide you all. I hope this video made you know all the sneezing duas, and you should use it when you're sneezing. So is when the sneezer sneezes, you say Alhamdulillah. When someone hears you say Alhamdulillah, you say Ya Hamukallah. And then when the sneezer hears someone say Ya Hamukallah, they say Yahdimukallah. I'm going to end the video right here. Before I end it, like, share, subscribe with all post notifications on, and Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.